Hello, my name is Christian Geronasso, and this is another live video of artificial intelligence working with SAP solutions. Today, S/4HANA Public Cloud. Let's just start with an introduction. S/4HANA Public Cloud, it's a solution, a cloud ERP solution designed for companies that want fast adoption and lower complexity. It runs with predefined best practice processes, offering limited customizations, but with automatically updates every quarter. And considering all of this, brings you the lowest total cost of ownership. This is ideal for companies that want to grow fast and start with best practices. Let's see together how SAP Public Cloud works with artificial intelligence. Okay, here I have Joule, and let's start testing. There are lots of artificial intelligence embedded and Joule to help you navigate through all the system, to all the solution. And it's important that artificial intelligence, it's the new user interface. This is SAP strategy. So show me recent sales orders. Joule, it's important to understand that Joule has no costs. We have more than 1,000 abilities, 1,000 skills that you can use, that you can consume, and will bring you productivity, 30% more productivity, considering you will not need to access a lot of transactions. So here I have, for example, a sales order. Let's say that I want the details of the sales order. Here, inside the business functions, inside the solution, we have embedded AI that can help you take some decisions. For example, let's say I want to summarize the sales order and understand everything that happened with the sales order. So here I'll use the capabilities of embedded artificial intelligence, embedded generative AI to have all the information I need without having to drill down all this information inside the sales order. Let's go back to the home page. And here I can do a lot of prompts. For example, I want to manage cost centers. So show me cost centers for the company 1710. And here I will be able to see the detailed information about the cost centers of this company. And let's say I'm here analyzing some issue that I have with cost centers during the day. And here, let's say I want to see, let's say I want to list all the cost centers for sales, containing sales. So I will ask Joule, display me the cost centers with sales, containing the text sales. Here I will be able to see all the cost centers for considering that they had the text sales. Okay. Here what I found. So I have all the cost centers with sales. I can see here that I have 17 cost centers. I'm showing only 6. And let's say I want to understand all the cost centers that are assigned with this responsible person. Okay, let's ask this question for Joule. Joule, show me the cost centers where the responsible is this user, or I could ask for a specific name of the person. So here I'll have all the cost centers that this person would be responsible. So I'm analyzing here cost centers. So let's say I want to have detailed information and analyze these cost centers in a more detailed way. Remember that I said that we have Joule that will support you in your daily activities, but also you have the embedded AI. So let's say I want to analyze here the company code. Let's get the company code 1710. I want to have a perspective of the GL account FPA1. And I want to see the detailed information about the cost centers at this date. But I have to analyze this information and understand where are the outliers. And here I have the embedded AI. So the generative AI, this is only available for S/4HANA Public Cloud. I can ask for a summarization of these cost centers, and without having to drill down this information, export to some other tool, and make deeper analysis, the artificial intelligence embedded in S/4HANA Public Cloud supports me to analyze all the detailed information about this cost center that I'm viewing here in the screen. So I can, I have a lot of these components, and you can see all of these components in Discovery Center, discovery-cloud.sap.com. And there you'll be able to see all the components, more than 20 components available for S/4HANA Public Cloud of Embedded AI. And let's do some more tests of Joule, with Joule, considering other areas of the company. For example, show me all the planned production orders for today. Let's say I want to have a perspective. This is because I have access. If I did not have access to all these business roles, I would be limited only to a few. For example, I am responsible for procurement. I would only have access to procurement skills. So here I have the production orders planned. I can, for example, ask for detailed information, show me the detailed information about the procurement order, the production order 1017-202. Here, what I have found. Let's say I want to interact with procurement. So show me the recent purchase orders. Here I can have the detailed information about the purchase orders created recently. They would be organized, sorted by the most recent. So here I have the purchase order. Let's say I want more information about this supplier. So this vendor, show me details of vendor without leaving the homepage of S/4HANA Public Cloud. I can get information from all over SAP business areas and have a deep analysis of some issue I'm facing or some root cause I want to analyze. From the purchase orders, I can go to purchase requisitions, and I can even drill down the informations for material, for example. Let's say here in procurement, I am trying to understand something related with a specific material. So here I have these mountain wheels, and I would like to see all the purchase order items for this material that is considered in this purchase requisition. And here Joule will support me finding this information. She's asking here what currency I want to see the information. And easily here at least 20 minutes of work that I would have to access a lot of screens, a lot of information, and I'm using Joule to help me find the information and also help me analyze the information. Let's take a quick look in Discovery Center. And here at Discovery Center, you can access all the SAP Business AI features inside SAP Business AI. And you can see here that we have 340 AI components. Christian Klein have compromised to have more than 400 in the end of this year, in the end of 2025. And I can filter by product. So let's filter by S/4HANA Public Cloud. And here you see 32 AI features between the ones I showed it to you that you can explore in your S/4HANA Public Cloud. So if you need more information, get in touch with me, get in touch with someone from SAP. We will be happy to help you understand whatever you need to consume of AI inside SAP Public Cloud.